So this is the LiFePO4 12.8 volt 100Ah 1280 watts per hour LiFePO4 battery. Great for kayaking, multiple uses, more charging, a longer charging life than regular lead acid battery. You'll want a case to put this in. I don't recommend leaving the LiFePO4 out in the water or the rain, just to protect yourself. This will run. The usage and the length of the battery life will depend on what you are running and how long you are running it for. As you can see, I've now connected the trolling motor to it for my kayak, and it's just a matter of positive to positive, negative to negative, and now I have a trolling motor that works for the kayak. Once again, multiple uses, and you may even put it on the boat as a power supply for the lights.